Hello everybody. Today we're doing a e-learning day. So this is how it's going to work. If you have any questions throughout the day today, you email your teacher. The first thing you're going to be doing on your Google Classroom is there is bell work. It is a Google form bell work question. So we can make sure you're answering the bell work questions for the day. And then the second thing you're going to be completing is the Ed Puzzle on Evolution. That is also posted in your Google Classroom. Again, if you have any questions today, this is supposed to be a e-learning day, which means in the future what we're hoping this would look like is you are not in attendance at school. So we want to make sure that on our end everything's working appropriately. So in order to do that, we're going to have a practice day today. And so if we're not there to support you, just email us if you have any questions, and that way we can see how well this would work out. Have a great day.